Hey YouTube, it's Alicia. I'm gonna be using my Insta pot this morning. I cooked this yesterday. It's just it didn't cook all the way, so I'm coming back and cooking it again. So I think it's 10 something. So this should be through about. We'll have to see. So what we're gonna do is we're going to plug it up. We're gonna do, hold up, we're gonna do manual. And if I'm thinking correctly, let's go check. Let's try this again. We're gonna do manual. "25 minutes, meat stew." We're going to do that. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take the meat that I had yesterday I cooked. Here it is right here. And we're going to pour all of that, pour the juice and stuff up in there. Where is my, okay, there you go. Once we got some of the juice in, we're going to bring in this. And then we're going to put the meat in. Okay. So I'm going to fill 1 whole cup of this, a cup of water up. There go 1 cup of water. And a half. Once we do all of that, we're going to take the top. Cut it and seal. And that's it. Okay. Bye, y'all.